Alright, so these are the cables I'm going to be running, and I'm going to pre-run all of that before the installation of the head unit. So the first one is the Wi-Fi antenna, which I'm going to be installing right here behind that plastic panel, and the cable is going to go up into the area where the head unit is installed. The other thing is going to be the 4G card adapter. Same thing, I'm going to be running that through here to be always available in the glove compartment, so the cable's going to come out like that. Also, I'm going to be using the 1-port USB adapter that's going to run from there, and it's going to be here in the glove compartment as well for easy access to adding additional memory. And in addition to that, I'm going to have also this USB-C extension, which is going to give me access to the USB-C port in the back of the unit at any time. So any accessories I want to add, they will be available to be plugged through the glove compartment. So that's what I'm going to be doing next. It's basically, there's a straight hole here. That hole gives you access to that area where the head unit is installed. So that's all we got to do. Once I finish that, I'm going to come back.